All right, well, welcome back to Barnstorming Garage. We got a new segment that we're going to try starting called Flippin' for College. We plan on buying some bikes, motorcycles, tuning them up, cleaning them up, and selling them. And it'll go to Mickey's college fund for any margin that we make on them. So we got our first one. The gentleman was really gracious to sell us his 2005 BMW K1200LT right here. So this is our first bike that we bought, and the plan is either to clean this one up and sell it, or what Mickey really wants is us to finish cleaning up the Harley and sell that, and then Mommy can ride this one, right?
No.
So it's a cool bike, but that's it. We're going to take it home take it for its first maiden voyage today, right now, and then we'll get it to the barn and see what's happening over there. Well, here we are back in the barn. Made our maiden voyage on this K1200LT, our first bike to do flipping for college. Let's take a look at her. So this is a 2005 BMW. Let's get right in on that Beamer. K1200LT. LT light touring. It's not light at all. This thing is a beast. I almost dropped it on the first intersection. It's a really beautiful charcoal gray. Runs really nice. For being 2005, it matches today's views. Yeah, it's got dual antennas whipping in the wind. Just no country station I can't tune in. This thing has buttons for days. It's even got a CB radio. I don't know what this does yet. It's radio maybe, something like that. Cruise control, bright lights, this is where you can flash at somebody. This raises the windshield up and down. Got heated grips. Low, medium, or no, I guess that's medium and burn your fingers off. It's got a automatic center stand. You just, when you're sitting on it, it comes right up. That's the kill switch. It looks funky. There's the starter button. It's even got GPSs, sat nav. Look at this. I don't know what this is. Mic. We're gonna learn phone. I don't know. Phone, something. CD player. Look at that. That's a CD player on a motorcycle. But that's not all. Let's look at this. I can't even stop. A CD player on a motorcycle. Now, if I put a key in this hole and twist it, oh, I did it wrong. If I twist it this way, push that button, pull that out. That is a 6-disc CD changer. Look at that. On a motorcycle. A motorcycle. Never heard of such a thing. I mean, I was cool when I had that in my 2000 Turbo Beetle. But on a motorcycle? Well, I tell you, it's definitely what you'd call a touring bike because it tours. Let's see what else. Got to push that button, pull this up. Look at that. You can see us right in the mirror. You can get your hair all done up when you're done getting off the bike. Surprised it doesn't have a kitchen sink back here. The prior owner did have a little bit of a in the parking lot and broke that bolt right off. These are highway pegs, and I didn't think I'd ever use highway pegs on something like this, but when I was riding it, like the position, I don't think I could stay in that position for a long, long time. So I'd have to kick them out. But anyway, yeah, This thing's got a mirror. It's got a dome light. Well, I guess I gotta have a key on for it. Oh no, there it goes. It's got a dome light. I mean, I don't. Carpet back here. My Harley, it's all plastic. Look, this thing, I thought this was gonna buckle up on me. Watch this. It actually retracts in here. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Man. It's got the luggage rack. It's the one. It's the Beamer that only has the single. What do you call it? The single arm. It's got a drive shaft, shaft driven. I don't know. Got the side pegs for the passenger. Big old seats. Look at this. Look at this. The passenger can change your radio stations. It's got speakers, boom booms in the back. There's got to be, I don't know. These are for communication. You actually have a chatterbox back and forth between you and the. Oh, I need the cord for it, but BMW hides their gas cap. There it is. There it is. It's actually kind of nice. Oh, look, I broke it already. How do I? Oh, well, I better not break it all the way. Let's just leave it like that for a minute. That's actually got like a foam pad for your knees there. Yeah. But, like I said, flipping for college. Look, it's even got a steering stabilizer in there. I tell you, this thing, oh look, it even has a leaf. It came with a leaf. It's gone 29,000 miles on the clock. Well, here's the highway bars I was talking about. You can stick those things out and ride in style. Instead of here, you can go here. I don't know, I'll have to fix that and try it out and see what I think. Here's the other comm, or connector for the driver to the dashboard. Let's flash it on. There we go. That's it. Yeah. It turns out this thing that says brake failure, that's just a thing that Beamers do. It just does it until you test the brakes by driving. That's good. Clock mode. I don't know. What's the mode? How do I change the mode? Trip reset? I can't see it. Oh, there's the trip. Mileage. Okay, good. It doesn't, I don't know. But it's a good little, look, you even got a little dashboard. Dome lights. I'm making something blink. What'd I do? Oh, look, I bumped the hazards. I still got something else blinking. I don't know. It's telling me something. But radio buttons, all these things. I don't know what it all is, but it's pretty phenomenal. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Push that button. Look at that thing go right up in there. That's for in town. That's for on the highway. And now, I tell you, it isn't clean. It's all misty-eyed. So we're going to have to polish that for sure. As a driver, I was able to take all of the wind off of me. Which is, I don't know if I like that on a motorcycle. I guess if I was doing thousands and thousands of miles, I might want to get out of the wind once in a while. But anyway, it's sitting position is good. The seat is very comfortable. Mickey was funny when we were riding. He said, I don't like it when you put the window down because all the wind hits me. On the Harley, I'm the one that breaks all the wind for him. So, I mean, this thing is, I don't know, can you tell the difference? Look at this. That's that one. So it's longer and bigger than my Road King. Anyway, there we go. Our first Flippin' for college motorcycle. Hoping to do a lot of these and help build up a college fund for Mickey. If you know anybody that's got a bike, preferably one that's running, that just has trouble getting rid of it, see if they'll spin us a deal. We'll buy it from them with the intent to polish it up, clean it up, do mechanical stuff to make sure it's safe. And then our intent is to flip it within a month so that we can put money into his college fund. So, all right, that's it for today. Quick one. We'll keep you up on this one. Let you know what we're doing, how it's going. I'm going to do a little bit on it today. I'm going to take it out for another ride because it was kind of squishy in the turns. But thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Have a good one.